Hey guys, just a quick video of my riser mod for the Weber GA. I was going to get a proper riser, but found they were pretty pricey and I was in a hurry, so I thought may as well try and fashion one out of another GA. Get it looking a bit factory. It was pretty easy to do, and I've worked it so that you can fold it up and it's a complete unit. I can pick this up, put it in the car as one unit. To do that, I just used the leg keepers from both GAs and just drilled a hole through that air vent and used the leg clip and just a simple bolt and wing nut, and you just sort of loosen up, flick off. Those legs can now fold down. I'll just put the phone down and set it up. So to make this riser, I just got another Weber Go Anywhere, and all I did was first I got the lid and I drilled out the spot welds on the handle, sort of see there, pop that handle off, and then those two air vents are held on with a pop rivet. I just drilled out the pop rivet to pop them off, and then I did have to grind down these bumps flush so I had a flat surface to work on. I did end up, you do make a mess of the porcelain coating. I did spray a bit of canola oil on it just to protect it from rust a bit before putting the bottom bit on. So you get your bottom bit from your second GA, you just put it on top of your flat surface, and then all I did was just drilled 4 holes in each corner and bolted it down using stainless bolts. And then after it was bolted down secure, I just went around and cut a hole as big as I thought would do the job, sort of sticking to the flat without going too close to the curved edges, because I think if you go a bit too close you might create yourself a bit of an air gap, which you don't want. And yeah, the cut's not pretty, but I don't really mind that. You're not going to really see it as long as it does the job. And yeah, basically that's all there is to it. It's pretty easy to do. Plus I think, I'm not sure if you can do this with the risers because I've never had one, but when you set it all up, if you're cooking and you need to add fuel or wood, you can basically, let's try and put this on one hand, it's going to be tricky. Yeah, I was too hard to do one-handed. So once you've got your riser back on, put your feet in there, you can actually put these keepers back in place, and then you can actually access just the bottom to add fuel or wood with all your food still in there. Put it back on, keep cooking. It's a good thing, I think. Let me know what you reckon. See you guys.